Good evening, everyone. My name is Vincent Salinas. This is Monday, April 19, 2021. I'm going to be doing a video presentation on the reproductive system. I'm going to start off first talking about the common diseases of the reproductive system, and I'll actually go to the actual dissection. So I'm going to begin with the male reproductive system. The common disease for the male reproductive system that I chose is epididymitis. It's the inflammation of the epididymis. The epididymis is one of the paired organs within the scrotum where sperms mature and are stored. Discomfort of pain and swelling in the scrotum are typical symptoms of the epididymitis, which is a relatively common condition, especially in young individuals in the U.S. alone. More than 500,000 cases of epididymitis are diagnosed annually between the ages of 18 to 35. Now I'll move on to the common diseases for the female reproductive system. I chose polycystic ovary syndrome. It happens when a woman's ovaries or adrenal glands produce more male hormones than normal. One result is that cysts, which are fluid-filled sacs, develop on the ovaries. Women who are obese are more likely to have polycystic ovary syndrome. Women with polycystic ovary syndrome are at an increased risk of developing diabetes and heart disease. This concludes this portion of the presentation. Now we'll move on to the actual dissection. Okay, here we have our male pig. I'm going to actually make an incision down the lower part, cutting this section open to expose this area. And here we can see the parts that are associated. We have at the top, we have, going down below, we have the scrotum area, which is the lower part. Above the scrotum, we have the testes. Then we have, there's a tube-like shape in here, which is the epididymis. We have the spermatic cord, which was located on the left side of the male reproductive system. Then we have the dirtus differens, which is a skinny type tube that's above the testes. And then finally we have the penis, which is a longer type tube shape. So again, forget an actual close-up so you can see the various areas that I'm speaking of. Okay, and this concludes my presentation. Thank you.